Hey everyone, you've just signed up for a Monzo account. You're excited to start using this innovative digital bank, but one question keeps nagging at you. How long will it take for your Monzo card to arrive? Building context. Monzo is known for its sleek design, user-friendly interface, and a host of features that make banking a breeze. But, like any other financial institution, there's a certain waiting period before you can physically hold your Monzo card. In this video, we'll dive deep into the factors that influence the delivery time of your Monzo card. We'll also explore what you can do during this waiting period to make the most of your new account. Factors affecting delivery time. Order processing time. Once you submit your application and complete the verification process, Monzo's system will process your order. This typically takes a few business days. Card production. After your order is processed, the card needs to be produced. Monzo has efficient production facilities, but there might be slight variations in production time depending on the volume of orders. Delivery method. Monzo offers various delivery options, including standard postal service and courier services. The choice of delivery method will affect the delivery time. Location. Your location plays a significant role in determining how long it will take for your card to arrive. If you live in a remote area, it might take a bit longer compared to urban areas. Average delivery times. While there's no exact timeline, Monzo typically states that standard delivery can take anywhere from 3 to 5 business days. However, it's essential to note that this is an estimate, and the actual delivery time may vary. If you've opted for a courier service, you can expect your card to arrive sooner. Courier services often provide faster and more reliable delivery options. What to do while you wait? Explore the app. Even without the physical card, you can still explore the Monzo app and familiarize yourself with its features. Discover how to set up direct debits, make payments, and track your spending. Virtual card. Monzo often provides a virtual card immediately after you sign up. This allows you to start using your account for online purchases before the physical card arrives. Customer support. If you have any questions or concerns during the waiting period, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo's customer support. They're always available to assist you. Tips for a smooth experience. Accurate information. Ensure that you provide accurate and up-to-date information during the sign-up process. Incorrect details can lead to delays. Verification. Complete the verification process promptly to expedite the card production. Track your order. Monzo might provide a tracking number or allow you to track your order status online. Patience. Remember that delivery times can vary. Be patient and avoid unnecessary stress. Conclusion. The delivery time of your Monzo card can depend on various factors, including order processing, card production, delivery method, and your location. While there's no exact timeline, Monzo typically provides estimates. By understanding these factors and utilizing the available tools and resources, you can make the most of your waiting period and be prepared for the arrival of your Monzo card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.